Hello everybody, this is the Super Gamer, and I'm wearing the hat from my Christmas video, or Christmas vlog, I should guess to say. I'm going to be bringing you another reaction video. Okay. Now, I'm going to be reacting to two, 2 to 3 minute long YouTube poofs of Sonic Boom. Alright, so the first one I'm going to look at is Sonic Boom YouTube poof. Sonic kills Tails with incredible incendiary grenades, episode 1. Okay. Alright, we're starting in 3, 2, 1, go.
You can't lose me, okay?
What?
What? Prepare to be beat.
What?
Sonic?
Really?
Hey, buddy. How you feeling?
I'm great. Ready to get back
About that. I've got some incendiary grenades. Now we're gonna make sure Tails stays burned. Fire, 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 fire.
What? What?
Don't look at me like that. Unless...
No!
I'm Amy Rose, and I'll be auditioning for the part of
Knuckles Jr.
What?
Amy, I know who you are.
Oh, and under special skills you can add juggling and singing.
No! No! God dang it! No! 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 Please!
Oh, improv!
I cannot understand.
I love improv.
Hey, everybody, I'm Peanut Butter Gamer.
What? Holy crap! Peanut butter cake. What?
I think you would be a
Peanut
great...
butter cake.
No, Knuckles. I think you would... No. Man, anyway.
What?
Okay. Last question. My name is Dr. Eggman. But you're my arch nemesis. I'm Evil Ham. You can't be Evil Ham. But neither one of you is going to be my sidekick.
Who else is there?
Congratulations, you're the third candidate. All right, being my sidekick is no easy task. This competition will test your animates. The winners
What?
will be three best.
Why did you show me
Win
the
prize.
prize?
And to make sure I know who you are, what would you do in a fire? Brings me the red flag. The red flag waving in the midnight. I planted atop the incredibly dangerous, but...
Yeah. Screw you.
What's going
What
on
the?
here?
Nothing.
Actually, this isn't
Give up, Eggman. This job is rightfully mine.
Man, you know my name is Dr. Eggman. You do that on purpose. Oh, I took your advice. Burnbot can burn things. Well, then you should have called him Clawbot.
What?
I can't swim.
Oh no. Get on board, Sonic! Get on board, Sonic! Come on! Come on! I gotta go 911! I gotta go 911! What? God dang it, Sonic! God dang it! Oh, God. Poor Sonic. Okay, anyway, next one. Sonic Boom YouTube poop, Tails infects everybody with zombie poison.
There's nothing... I think it would be best if you turned YouTube off. There's nothing like a bucket of Legos on the beach.
A bucket of Legos. No. Oh, there's a bomb. Boom. Boom.
For the first time, I feel totally stress-free. Hey guys, get out of my head! I just perfected most wanted beauty.
What?
I just infected beauty
Uh-oh.
later. I just perfected my universe.
What?
Perfected my most brilliant invention yet. Sneeze. I just perfected my sneeze.
How did you...
I just perfected my...
Hey, it worked!
I didn't see it, but I will see it burn in my...
What do you mean?
I doesn't know. Turds.
What
Amy
turd?
Rose is pretty lame.
I face you. That's it, Tails? No.
I am a man.
No, you were not.
I am totally busted. Get it, Ed.
Oh, you're Don't be offensive.
Shut that thing off before it tells Sonic I might die.
It seems Tails' new invention is causing Sonic and his friends to retreat to his circus.
What?
Oh,
Amy Rose is a pope.
What? What?
Did
What?
say
She
that.
is?
The what does the do-do? The apocalypse
Never.
is nigh!
There's no such thing as zombies, dude.
Usually we just party.
Where's the song?
Fun, fun, fun.
Fun, okay.
If you were a sweater, I'd wear you on my head.
Let's pretend that's true.
No.
You get out of there, Tails. Whoa. Okay. Well, that was something. Well, there you go. There's your reaction for you guys. Bye.